is a 1968 Chevy C10 Fleetside. Beautiful long bed. We're going to do a walk around. We'll check the engine. I'll tell you all about this build. Let's get started. So as you can see, the body is completely shaved. This is paint. It's not a wrap. And it's a flat metallic. And you can see the front grille, super clean, you guys. All the markers have been deleted, all the lettering, the badges, everything integrated, LED turn signals in the headlights. Just a super clean truck. Beautiful. The paint's 9.5 out of 10. It's got 20-inch KMC aluminum wheels. These are vintage, 1990s-ish. Low profile tires, brand new. All the glass is new. It's got the the window wing delete, single piece glass, all tinted professionally, including the windshield with UV protection so it stays cool in the cab. Beautiful new red stained oak bed with the chrome. Just absolutely gorgeous. Rear tank. The bed has been redone completely. The whole truck's been redone. The bed is lined with Raptor liner. And you can see in the back also, we continue with a super clean look. The rear tailgate handle's been moved to the inside, so super clean. Roll pans front and back. The beautiful Fleetside long bed. Just a gorgeous truck. Let's take a look inside. So it does have door poppers. And as you can see, all new interior, upgraded sound system, Infinity 6x9s. Tweeters where the heat and AC used to be. There's no heat and AC, but it's easily installable. And retro, but modernized. Beautiful steering wheel. This is an I Did It steering wheel, tilt, telescopic steering wheel. And you can see the finish. Everything in here is just finished off really nice. Upgraded Pioneer, Bluetooth enabled, CarPlay, stereo. Powerful 5-channel Pioneer amp. Can't really see it under there, but it's under the glove box. The seats, everything has been redone, brand new, custom stitching with red accents to match the bed. Custom, retro mod look interior. Super nice. It's got Mega floor shifter, B&M floor shifter. For convenience, let's give it a start. It's got 761 miles as of right now on a new engine. All new gauges. I can't wait for you guys to hear this thing. Also, Atomic 2 EFI, we're going to look inside in a minute, but you can do all your tuning with this unit. Like I said, it's got CarPlay enabled, so you can hook up your iPhone or whatever device you want, and the stereo sounds amazing. It's got an 8-inch woofer under the seat, so full range of audio. Just, beautifully appointed. Let's take a listen and look under the hood for a second. To keep it in the spirit of the Chevy small block, there is a Chevy small block in here, but it's from a 97 Vortec Silverado. So it's a Vortec engine with the Vortec heads, completely redone. But you've got MSD ignition, and you've got the Atomic 2 MSD EFI carb body. got headers. All it does is go through glass packs. Sounds amazing. New brakes. It's got a mild cam, and therefore we installed a vacuum assist, so there's an electric vacuum pump here and canister, so there's no issue with vacuum. You get plenty of vacuum. The thing runs at 180 all day long, super stable, super steady, and that's it. Pretty simple. Runs cool. It's got a few little upgrades like a horn, louder horn, but people hear you coming in this thing, and we get a lot of compliments, a lot of looks, a lot of thumbs up from this truck. Horsepower is probably in the low 300s, nothing crazy, but it's plenty. Let's give it a little gas here. Nothing wrong with that. The exhaust runs back through glass packs and terminates right in front of the rear axle. It's just in great shape. Looking for a new home. So you'll find information about this in the links in the description. If you have any questions, use the information below to contact the seller. Any other questions, reach out. But this truck's gonna have a new owner, and that could be you. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. And maybe you'll be seen driving this beauty around in the near future.